Guys, you're welcome again to another wonderful video. In today's video, I want to show you how you can add a WhatsApp live chat to your website. All right, how you can add a WhatsApp live chat to your website. All right, now as you can see, this is a perfect example of what I'm talking about here. You can see where it says Chatos. Right, this is a site. All right, it's a demo website I'm currently working on. All right, so I want to just show you how you can add this WhatsApp chat. All right, WhatsApp chat to your website. Okay, so first of all, you need to go to your back end. All right, get to your back end, and also you need to get the code, because as you are seeing this particular icon, this widget here is a code. All right, is a code, and for you to get this WhatsApp code, you go to a site called delightchat.io. All right, this is the site. It's called delightchat.io. I see there, this is it, delightchat.io. So once you come to this particular site, you can see where it says generate WhatsApp button. All right, can you see that? Generate WhatsApp button, and you can see where it says generate WhatsApp widget. Okay, so what you need to do already, this is the color code of WhatsApp. Okay, this is the text that is there, which is Chatos, and this is the color icon, all right, which is light. Okay, you can see all of those things. So once you already seen that, so the next thing you need to do, just come down to this part that says if you want to insert your WhatsApp number, but then you don't really need to do anything here. I will show you you can also edit it from your code aspect, from the code aspect. All right, so what you want to get is the WhatsApp code that you will embed on your website for this particular widget to pop up. All right, for this particular widget to pop up. So that's what I want to just quickly show you. All right, for this widget to pop up. All right, you can also position it to be either the left side or on the right hand side, which I will also show you how you can fix that. All right, now, so once you come to this site, which is delightchat.io, and you come down to, you can see where it says generate WhatsApp. Just go down to generate WhatsApp button code. Can you see the generate WhatsApp button code? Just click on it. All right, can you see the code has generated? This is the code. Just copy this code. Right, once you copy the code, come to your site where you are working. I just uploaded this template now. Let me show you. I will just go back. I'll click on, this is it here. Can you see that? So I'll just right click on it. I'll click on extract. Right, I want to extract to this folder M. I'll just click on extract files. All right, good. So once I'm done extracting, then I'll come back to this place and reload. Okay, so once you reload, can you see that? So you just reload. Then the next thing is I can delete this file. Let me delete. I can delete this file. All right, good. Remember, my code have been copied. This is my code. I've copied my code, so I'm coming back to my site. So I'll open this folder. All right, so I want to just select this and move to the location I want it to be. Right click and select move. All right, so I want it to be, all right, good. So I've done that now. I've moved it to the location, which is this M folder. Good, this is it here. Now, to embed your code, this is the code. I'll copy it again. To embed this code I've copied, I'll come to my site. All right, remember, this is my about us, my contacts, and the rest of them. So what I will do is I'll come to index, click on edit. All right, click on edit. All right, edit. Okay, so once you click on edit, this is the beginning of the code. Just scroll down to where you have the end of the code. Can you see that? This is the body. Before this body, just come down to this place, then create a space and paste that code you copied. The code I copied from this part here, this code I copied here, then just come down to this place and paste the code. All right, now once you paste the code, now you can do some settings here. Good. The first one, you can see where it says Chatos. If you don't set that, that will be what we'll be showing here. Can you see this one? I saying this one that is saying Chatos now. All right, if you don't set that, it will be, instead of showing Chatos, it will be what? Messages. All right, messages. So what I will do is I will come here, I will change this one to what? Chatos, or send us a message depending on what you want. I can just say Chatos. Good. Then the next thing is the position of the button. Can you see now? Button position. This is what I'm showing you here. Can you see this is showing on the left hand side? Right, good. If you want your own to be shown on the left hand side, you select left. If you want to be shown on the right, you select right. Now you come here, you can see where it says WhatsApp number. All right, I'll come here and put my WhatsApp number. All right, you might not necessarily need to put the plus sign. All right, it's not really a must, but if you want to add it, all well and good. Then you come here and put your WhatsApp number. All right, good. put the WhatsApp number there. Then the next thing is, this is the message. You can say hello. What message do you wanted to receive? You can just say um uh okay, you say hello. All right, so whatever message you wanted to receive, so let me know. Okay, hello, I am interested. So good, let me just do this. I'm interested in your service or services, as the case may be. All right, so this is the message that will come into your, once that button is clicked, that is the message that will come. So this is the WhatsApp button. All right, now remember, these are the things I just did. Now let me come back. Once you are done, remember to do what? Save changes. I'll click on save changes. I'll click on save changes here. So once I do that, all right, I'll come back to my site and do what's called refresh. Remember, this is let me just, I'll do that now, refresh. Okay, so once I do that, it will definitely pop up either on the left hand side. Remember, where is the location of the, is it on the right? Good, it's on the right hand side. So once it's finished loading, can you see it's showing here, right hand side? Right, showing on the right hand side. So once this is clicked now, automatically it will come to your inbox. All right, automatically, this, can you see the WhatsApp button here? All right, so this is how to add a WhatsApp to your site. How to add a WhatsApp to your site. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, kindly make sure you subscribe if you have not subscribed, and make sure you smash that notification bell so you always be notified whenever videos like this are posted. Now that you have added this to your index, remember it's only showing on the index. So go back to your site and add it to all the various pages you have here. You have done it to index. Make sure if you have 5 pages, add it to this about us, contact us, and all other pages you have on your website. These services, pricing, you have it. You have to add it to all the pages that is available on the website. Like this particular website now, it has home, about us, services, pricing, and the rest of them. I will have to go back. The same code I've copied, I will now add it to the various files here, the various files I have here. All right, so this is how to insert and embed your WhatsApp chat button to your website. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, make sure you share and subscribe if you have not done so. And please, if you're having any challenge, drop in the comment section. I'll be glad to help you fix all issues. Thank you. See you in my next video.